Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my spring favorites. There's a few things I've been loving lately that are just giving me that like spring vibe feeling, and I really wanted to share them with you guys. I've done a video before showing you guys just some of like my beauty favorites. I figured this time, instead of just doing beauty, I wanted to show you some things for your home that you can like put in your house to make it give you that like spring feeling. And a few of the things I wanted to show you are just some little tips and hacks that I like that I've been recently doing. And I don't want to do everything in order. I want to just do like a bunch of random things because I feel like that makes it more exciting. So if I'm doing some beauty favorites, then my next thing might be like a candle. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is something that I feel like I've talked about maybe on my Instagram, or I feel like I've used this in some of my makeup tutorials here on YouTube before, but it's this Cetaphil moisturizer. So my sister actually introduced me to this, I want to say like over a year ago, and I seen her one time and I was like, why is your skin so dewy and like it just looks so good? And she's like, it's a little secret. My sister uses mostly medical grade skincare products. She takes really good care of her skin, but she's like, this is my secret. I'm obsessed with it. I'm sure a lot of people use it. It's a Cetaphil daily moisturizer with SPF 50. So I like to wear this especially under my foundation. Even if your skin is a little oily, I mean, regardless, you still do need to moisturize it and wear SPF. So I just love this, and it's inexpensive for an SPF. And I like to wear this under my second thing that I wanted to show you guys for my spring favorites, which is this Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. So I talked about this a couple times already on my Instagram. I made like a little Instagram video about this because I am so obsessed with it. But I like to wear this over this. So they're both moisturizers, but it's just the way that it works on my skin. I love it. I have that on right now. And I do set my face with a little bit of translucent powder too, so it's not like too like slippery and like that oily look. This is truly the best thing that I've ever used. I got a few people on this too, and it's amazing. So it's a tinted moisturizer, but it's like a foundation. It's crazy. I don't even want to say it's a light coverage. It's kind of like a medium to full coverage. Another thing about this is I feel like it's perfect for spring because we don't want to look too cakey. We still want that like summer makeup look where it's just like fresh and pinky and glowy. And this is perfect for spring and summertime. These two together is my favorite combo in the world. So the next thing I wanted to talk about was blush. I feel like blush is definitely a spring thing, having just rosy cheeks. So blush is definitely something I especially like to use in the spring and summertime. So I found this, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury. I still don't even know what it's called. It has like a bunch of different things. It's a Beauty Light Wand Glowgasm High Blush, and I think Pinkgasm. I don't know. But this is it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. It's like a highlighter. I don't have it on right now. I literally put it on from here all the way to here. It just looks so good. It looks like you have a real, like a little sunburn, and it's so cute. And I feel like dry blush, everyone uses it, but I'm more into like a liquidy, like wet type of blush. So speaking of blush, this is the second one that I like. This is by Iconic. Did I already say this one was a Charlotte Tilbury? I might have already said that, but this is a Charlotte Tilbury blush. And then this one is by Iconic London, and this one is called Power Pink, and it's also a liquidy one. They're different colors, and it's definitely not this pink on the face. I put way too much, but if you put it on and just like blend it into your skin, it just melts into your foundation and it looks so beautiful. This one is a little bit more of my favorite, but the other one is like my second. I'm obsessed with it. So I want to move away from makeup for a second and talk about some other things. So this is something I feel like since I started using, I was like, oh my God, I just want to talk about it. And it's such a silly thing because I'm sure a lot of people use it, but for the people that don't, it's this glove right here. It's an exfoliating glove. So I got this because I was trying to find something that would take off my old spray tan. You know when your spray tan gets like 6 days old and then it starts getting blotchy? No matter where you go, no matter who does your spray tan, it washes off, and it doesn't wash off evenly, obviously. This takes off my whole entire spray tan. So once it starts getting blotchy towards the end and you know it's like ready to come off and you need a new one, this is amazing. I used to just use a body wash and that was not doing it for me. So what I do is I put one on, I put a little bit of my, it's like the, I want to say it's like the shea butter exfoliating body wash. I put some on here, make it really wet, and then I just scrub. And I'm telling you guys, you don't even need to go hard. It just comes off. They have it at Target, they have it at Walmart. They have this everywhere. The next thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was this bio oil. So this is a skincare oil that I recently heard about, and I was using, what is it that everybody uses? You guys, my pregnancy brain lately is, what is it that everyone uses? The lotion that everyone uses, is it cocoa butter? I think, yeah, cocoa butter. I promise you guys I'm not dumb. My pregnancy brain is just really bad. But I was using that, and I like it, but my skin on my stomach was actually getting really itchy. And that's usually when they say stretch marks can happen, because when you itch them, it like makes them appear. Maybe that's a myth, I don't know. But I was like getting really scared. My stomach was getting dry and like itchy, and I was like, okay, this lotion that I'm using twice a day is not working. So I heard about this from that girl on YouTube, and then I posted about it on Instagram, and I got so much good feedback on this. Everyone was saying that it works amazing on them. Like whether they're pregnant or not, they use this and it helps them so much. Some girls swore that they use this during their pregnancy, and they're like, I know this is why I didn't get not one stretch mark. Obviously, you guys, you can't avoid stretch marks, and no matter what, I mean, during pregnancy, you can't help what happens to your body. And I don't even think I care about getting them. I feel like that's just my body, that's what it wants to do. But if there's something I could do to help the itching and the dryness that can bring the stretch marks faster, I definitely want to try something. So this bio oil has been helping. I have not been itching. I've been using this twice a day, putting it all over my stomach and making sure that my stomach eats up the oil. I massage it and it stays hydrated, and so I really like this. And if you're pregnant or not, I feel like you should try this. It's the bio oil skincare, and I got this from Ulta, and this size was, I think it was like $21. So the next thing I wanted to talk to you guys about are some home things. I've been obsessing over candles, you guys. I think I'm losing my mind. I feel like in every video that I've recorded or posted on YouTube, like lately, the past few have been about candles, because that's what pregnancy will do to you. You literally are home all day anyway, laying around, so you just obsess over weird things. And with me, it's been candles. So I've always been obsessed with this candle from Bath and Body Works. I usually get the big ones for the kitchen, like the bigger ones, but I got a bunch of these ones because they were on sale. So I got this one, these ones, and I got a few other scents, but I'm actually using them right now. So this one is the Cactus Blossom. This is the perfect spring scent for your house. I don't even like using this in the fall or winter. I only go get this scent in the spring and summertime because it just goes. And it's pink, so having this in your house is so cute. And then I also got the matching soap from Bath and Body Works too. This is the Cactus Blossom, and this is really cute because I put this in my kitchen, on my kitchen sink, and then I have like this one burning right on my island in my kitchen, so it goes, and it's really cute. And I feel like when people come over, I just get excited for them to use my soap because it smells so good. And like with these soaps, when you walk out of the bathroom, it just stays on your hand. Like the scent just stays on your hand. It's pretty strong. These are really amazing. So the other one I got was a Champagne Toast. I'm sure you guys know about this scent because it's really popular. This is the candle that like everybody loves and uses. So I got the soap for it, which I love. And then this is my, I feel like they're all my favorite, but this is like my all-time favorite. As you can tell, I use some of it, but I have like 3 other ones. This is the Rose Water and Ivy. I don't know if you guys remember in my last few videos, I went and got the Rose Water and Ivy candle from Bath and Body Works when I was showing you guys what I got, and I fell in love with the smell. It makes my living room, just the whole thing just smells so good. And I have like the smaller ones like these, and it makes my whole living room smell amazing, and it stays smelling so good even after I turn the candle off. So I went and got the soap for it, and it's the same. It's such a good scent. This is the one that I said has like a little perfume smell to it, but it's not like strong and overpowering. It's just so good and fresh. So I feel like these are like the perfect little spring soaps to have in your house. And again, the colors are just so like spring vibe. So get these soaps. So the other thing that I have has nothing to do with spring, but I just want to show you guys because it's so cute. And it's actually like, I feel like some people will laugh or my video is gonna get demonetized. I hope not. But they're these candles, and it's like a woman's body candle, and they smell so good. I had a girl actually make these for me. She used all natural oils and stuff to make these, so there's nothing harsh in these. They smell so yummy. Like, I literally want to eat this. And then I also got this one. I'm sure you guys have been seeing these all over Instagram. People use these a lot to decorate their homes. And I will obviously never use those, like light them up, but they're really cute to have on. Let me show you a really cute way of using these candles. So I have these little books that I have, I like put on my island in my kitchen. And sometimes I'll put this on there with like my little vase with flowers, and sometimes I'm in the mood to just put this with like this, and it's just so cute. You can also put this over your fireplace or by your bed if you have like a little nightstand. I just feel like those are so cute, and they're so in right now. I'm seeing those a lot. So another thing I want to talk to you guys about was this. So this is I guess you could say like a cleaning thing, a cleaning product. I'm not sure if a lot of people use this. I feel like it's like an older thing. So I get these from the dollar store. So it's the Arm & Hammer. It's a carpet freshener. So it's a carpet odor eliminator. And it seriously works, especially because I have a dog, and you know, sometimes dogs can make the house smell like wet dog. So I put this all over so I only have carpet now on both of my stairs. So I put this all over. I leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I go ahead and vacuum it. It is something that I'm going to be doing for the rest of my life because it works and it makes my whole house smell very good. And this scent is the Island Mist. I forgot which one I used last time that I really loved, but I use this one too. This is the Island Mist. The other one that I use it's like green. Instead of the purple one, it's like the green one. And that one made my house smell really, really good, but I ran out of it. So I'm showing you guys this one. So if you're looking for something to clean your carpets and give it a really like refreshing smell when you have people over, especially, this is the trick. I don't know if you guys can hear the vacuum, but my husband's vacuuming. And I'm happy. So going back to beauty products, so this is something that's newer. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Styling Wax. So the reason why this is perfect for the spring is because in the springtime, I want to say like spring and summertime, we don't like to wear too much makeup. Like I was saying earlier, we just want that like fresh, dewy, natural look. And something that I feel like goes along with that is that bushy, like fluffy eyebrow look. I have it on right now. I don't use too much of it. I just do it in the front where I want it to look more fluffy. And then at the end, you can use this to put up your eyebrow because I don't like when my eyebrow goes down. So like I'll brush my hairs up with this, and this seriously stays. I used to use the soap that I would get from Amazon, and I just feel like nothing really worked, and it made my makeup look gross. Like, you know when you're doing your eyebrow with the soap, like the soap brow look, and then you put foundation close to your eyebrow, it just looks clumpy and gross because that product is thick. This is very thin. It's seriously the best brow styling wax ever. She really killed it with this. I feel like everyone's loving this right now. So if you're into that fluffy natural eyebrow look, like that bushy look, then you guys will love this styling wax. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is my lip combo that I have on right now. I have had the same lip combination for years. I've tried so many different lip combinations, and I just don't like anything on my lips. I'm really picky about the color that I like on my lips just for every day. Like I'll use the same color for when I'm running errands or if I'm going to a wedding. I like the same lip combination, and that is, I'm sure you guys already know, it's the NYX lip liner in London and this lip cream in, it's the Abu Dhabi. That's the name of this one. This has just been my combination for years, but lately I'm like, I want a cute gloss to go over it. So I went and found this by NYX, and this color is it's called Bit of Honey. So I outlined my lips with this, and I'm actually gonna show you guys on my hand. So I outlined my lips with this color. I don't know how to describe this color. It's like a brown, but like a pinky brown. And then in the center, I will use this, so you can tell. It's perfect because this one's a little bit darker and this one's a little bit more nude brown. And then I like to use this gloss. So this is like a pinkier gloss, but it's not like pink. This is like the perfect lip combination ever. It looks like it wouldn't go, but it matches the lip liner really good. And that's what I love, because the lipstick kind of goes away. It just gives it the like perfect under color for this lip gloss. So that's what I have on right now, and I'm really loving this lip combination. So this has been my new thing. It's perfect for the spring. It's not too pink, it's not too nude. It just makes your lips look like luscious and makes them pop. So yeah, you guys, I think that's it for today's video. I feel like I covered all of the things that I've been obsessing over lately, and I'm really excited for you guys to try some of these things if you don't already know about them. So let me know if you guys like these type of videos, like beauty favorites, spring favorites, and I will definitely make more. So before you guys go, I just want to say, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.